Sunny the sunflower's smile spreading happiness everywhere. Once upon a time, in a colorful garden, there was a sunflower named Sunny. Sunny was special because he had the brightest and happiest smile among all the flowers. Every morning, when the sun peeked over the hills, Sunny would stretch her petals and show her big, sunny smile. The other flowers would smile back, feeling warm and happy. Sunny loved to see everyone happy. She wanted to make her friends feel good too. So, she decided to do something special. She asked her friend, Benny the butterfly, for help. Benny, she said with a smile, can you help me spread happiness to all the corners of the garden? Benny happily agreed. He flew around the garden and told everyone, Sunny the sunflower is spreading happiness today. Come and see. The flowers, the birds, and even the little insects gathered around Sunny. She smiled her biggest smile, and something magical happened. Her smile glowed even brighter, and a warm, happy feeling filled the air. One by one, the flowers started to smile too. The birds chirped joyfully, and the insects danced happily. It was like the whole garden was a place of laughter and joy. From that day on, whenever someone felt sad, they would come to Sunny. She would smile her sunny smile, and their sadness would melt away. Her smile was like magic, spreading happiness everywhere. And so, in the colorful garden, Sunny the sunflower's smile reminded everyone that a simple smile can make the world a brighter and happier place. The end.